Welcome to today's tapping session. In today's tapping session, we are going to do tapping for this belief that life is hard. Do you believe that life is hard? And see how strongly you believe that. And what are the reasons that you give yourself because of which you feel life is hard? Because if you believe life is hard, then somehow you're going to experience the same reality in your life. So if we want a new reality in our life, first we need to let go of this belief that life is hard. Because our mind likes to be right. If it believes that life is hard, then it is going to create the same reality just to be right. So today we are going to do tapping for the same. So before starting the tapping, just think about this belief that life is hard and give it a number from 1 to 10. 10 means, yes, I extremely believe in this belief that life is hard. And somehow my life circumstances also reflect the same, that my life is hard. And 1 means, I don't believe this at all. I believe life is easy. Life is fun. After giving it a number, let's start the tapping. Even though I believe life is hard, I still choose to love and accept myself completely and deeply. Even though I've heard so many times from so many people, and even I have repeated to myself so many times that life is hard, I still choose to love and accept myself completely and deeply. Even though I believe that life is hard so far, but I am open for a new reality, a reality where life can be easy as well. So today, I'm just open that life is easy. I'm open to believe life can be easy. And I love and accept myself completely and deeply. To the other point, I believe life is hard. I experience how life is hard. There are so many challenging situations that I have to face. There have been so many difficulties that I've experienced in my life. And because of those challenging circumstances, challenging situations that I faced, the challenging people that I need to face, I feel life is hard. I feel life is a struggle. And somehow, I really believe that life is hard. And somehow I feel anything that is worthwhile in life is difficult, is hard, is struggle. Somehow I believe anything in life that is easy is bad. And somehow I reject anything that comes easily to me because I want to believe everything is hard. And I'm tightly holding on to this belief that life is hard, success is hard, making money is hard. And the people who are experiencing success is easy, life is easy, making money is easy, part of me reject that reality. Part of me is not even open to see how people are living with a different belief when they believe life is easy, when they believe success is easy. All the ways I am blocking from experiencing a new reality, a reality where life is easy. All the ways I feel I need to struggle in life. All the ways I need to make things difficult in order to justify how capable or worthy I am. And all the ways I feel that life is easy is not for me. All the ways I think that it is only available for few people. Experiencing an easy life is only available to few people. And somehow I believe I'm not that. And all the ways I judge those people for experiencing an easy life. All the ways I say they are not capable, or somehow they are doing something wrong, or any guilt of experiencing an easy life. All the ways I feel by making life harder, I need to prove myself. I choose to let it go. I choose to let go of this conditioning where I learned that life is hard. All the ways I judge those people who are experiencing ease in their life. And all the ways I feel guilty for experiencing an easy life. All this conditioning that is stopping me from seeing a life with a new lens where I'm just open, that life is easy, where I just open that how can I do things easily? How can I enjoy life easily? How can I do the work that I really enjoy easily? How can I make money easily? I choose to know ease is not a sign of laziness. I don't need to hustle or struggle in order to prove how much capable or worthy I am. I am worthy and capable exactly the way I am. I don't need to become something or do something in order to prove my worth. My existence is worthy. My presence is worthy. And I'm open to experience a life of ease, a life of alignment. And let's see how I experience life with this new belief. And I'm open that life can be easy too. Life can be fun. Life can be joy. and any guilt around ease, I choose to let it go. The more ease I experience in my life, the more I give other people the space to experience the ease in their life. I can be an example from whom they learn that life can be easy too. The more I give myself the space to experience ease in my life, the more I am creating the space of ease in people around me. We all can experience a life of ease and alignment. And anything that is stopping me, I choose to release it. Now just take a deep breath, hold, and slowly exhale through your mouth. And let me know how you feel about life is easy. You don't need to right now believe strongly that life is easy. But can you be just open that life can be easy too? And you don't need to achieve something, become something, or you don't have to do something difficult in order to prove that how much capable, worthy you are. And only when you achieve those things, then you are somehow worthy of an easy life. No. Your presence deserves that ease in your life. And the more you give yourself the space to feel that ease in your life, the more you create the space for people around you that they can also be open to an easy life. You can be that example for them. And if anything is stopping you from living that life of ease, let me know in the comment box so that we can tap on that resistance in the future tapping sessions. And if you like this video, if you like this tapping, do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're struggling to take action in any area of your life, I have created an ebook in which you are going to get 51 tapping steps that will help you to release any resistance that is stopping you from taking action. Buy that ebook and tap on those 51 scripts and take those actions even effortlessly. Because ease is a sign of alignment. If you are really good at something, it will come to you naturally. You don't have to struggle. And if you have to struggle in order to achieve something or in order to do something, maybe that is a sign that thing is not in alignment with you. So I have that perspective that if I'm struggling, maybe this is not for me. And if something that is coming naturally to me, that means it is a sign of alignment and it is the thing I need to pursue. So keep tapping and keep releasing your blocks and buy that ebook and tap on those resistance and start taking easy action. Because once you release those blocks, even action taking becomes easy and effortless. And thank you so much for tapping with me.